Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about division Thallophyta. Today we will discuss about division second, that is Bryophyta. Now I am reading from the textbook. This group of plants is called the amphibian of the plant kingdom because they grow in moist soil but need water for reproduction. These plants are thalloid, multicellular, and autotrophic. They reproduce by spore formation. The structure of the plant body of bryophytes is flat, ribbon-like long, without true roots, stem, and leaves. Instead, they have stem-like or leaf-like parts and root-like rhizoids. They do not have specific tissues for conduction of food and water. Examples are moss, Funaria, Markensia, Anthroceros, and Rixia, etc. Now, thallophyte, they have very simple type of body, filamentous body. Now, in bryophytes, these group of plants are known as amphibians. Amphi means both, bien means habitat, means they live in water as well as on soil also. Means some stages of plants they stay on soil and some stages they come in water. So that is why they are known as amphibians and they are known as amphibian. They grow in moist soil. Moist soil means you can say the wall, any wall or moist places, and there they grow. But for reproduction they need water. Without water they can't reproduce. That is why they are known as amphibian. Their body is thalloid. Thalloid means bag-like structure. Multicellular. Not a single plant is unicellular in this division, Bryophyta. And autotrophic. As you know, they have chlorophyll, that is why they are autotrophic. They reproduce by spore formation. They form the spore, and for dispersal of spores and for spore formation they need water. The structure of the bryophytes, they have stem-like structure, they have leaf-like structure, they have root-like structure, but those organs are not true organs because in roots xylem and phloem absent. In leaves they don't have the true structure. That is why true leaf, true stem, and true roots are absent. They have structure like root, leaf, and stem, but they are all false. They are not true at all, and they don't have specific tissues for conduction of food and water, that is the xylem and phloem. Examples: Funaria, commonly which is known as moss, Markensia, Anthroceros, Rixia. These are some examples of bryophyta. Now we will take the structure in detail, structure of Funaria. Funaria, you see in the diagram, leaf-like parts are present. They are looking like leaf, but they are not true leaf, and some thread-like structures present which you can consider as a root, but that is not a true roots. These thread-like structures are known as rhizoids. One capsule you can see from the middle part, it is originated, and that capsule, inside the capsule you get so many spores, and that capsule, one thread-like structure is there. That thread-like structure is known as stalk. Now this is the structure of Funaria. Markensia also, and you see the Anthroceros also. So these are the few example of division second, Bryophyta. Now I want to discuss some questions related to division first Thallophyta, like distinguish between the algae and fungi. Second question, describe the structure of Spirogyra with labeled diagram. Why the algae are known as autotrophs, why the fungi are known as heterotrophs. These are few questions which you you read this question and write the answers in your assignment sheets. Thank you.